तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Hey guys, welcome to Ruth channel. Hope you all are good. Today we are making easy ghost effect tutorial for beginners. Create new project and add 𝘂𝗧𝗏 first. Let's mark some beat where you want ghost effect. Here is one beat. Mark it by clicking in timer option. Mark few more beat. This much enough for the tutorial. Now split the clip in all the marks. I will add ghost effect in this to layer. Watch carefully now. Duplicate the layer. Now go to Move and Transfer option of Duplicate Layer. Come to Scale and give to keyframe. One at starting and another at middle. Increase the scale of middle keyframe. And drag the keyframe to the last. Now come to Blending option. Give to keyframe same as before. One at starting and another at last. Decrease the opacity to 0 of last keyframe. Do the same process to another clip. First, duplicate the layer. Then go to Scale and give to keyframe and increase the scale of last keyframe. Then go to Blending option and give Fade effect by to keyframe. If you want to increase the speed of this ghost effect, then you have to give graph. Give this type of graph. Don't increase this line too much, it will make this effect so fast, which don't looks good. Give the same graph in Blending option. But I don't prefer to use graph that much. Now add shake to make it looks more beautiful. You can use any shake. If you want this shake XML, then check description. And if you want tutorial, then comment down below. Simply copy the shake and paste it to both ghost layer and original layer. This make your edit so fantastic. Now export your clip. Let me show you output. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more tutorial and edits. Love you guys.